Maraming salamat sa iyo, Panginoon, sa lahat na binigay mo sa amin, sa more blessings, more support to all of us. Excuse. Thank you very much. Kahit pa paano, nagkakaroon ako ng life while I'm cooking, while I'm doing in my daily routine. Thank you, and thank you so much. YouTube company, YouTube staff, workers, thank you for your support also and doing best for us. Thank you to all some bloggers that are still watching and they are support in my life. Thank you, and some of them that mga viewers, ayan o. Thank you that viewers, and thank you to all of us nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people in this world. Thank you so much. Look my, yan. Thank you. Look. I'm cleaning in the balcony. Okay. The weather is so great and so good. It's very, very nice. It's very, very hot. It's good for summer na talaga. Good for swimming. It's super. So, once again, to all angkan, to my angkan, my relatives, cousins, my in-laws, all in-laws, my nieces, and my apo sa tod, mga apo, mga ahong nag-iisang kapatid na lang natira, mga aunties, mga uncles, mga lolas, mga lolos, mga barkadas, co-workers, co-OFW, mga co-vloggers, not mga co-vloggers, mga kababata, mga barkada, and many more to mention. And thank you, Lord, for giving me in my support for my journey. Thank you, and very much, very more. Look, ayun na yun. So now, I finished the small balcony, and after that one, I go to finish, to start na naman sa sala. Okay. More blessings. Sorry. Ang init-init na kasi. Laging natatry na yung tutunlan ko dahil sa sobrang init. Ayan o. Ganun pa rin. Same as usual pa naman pag gumagawa ako ng videos na I'm only here. Kasi wala namang iba. Kaya, so thank you for everything, and God bless us all, and bye. More blessings, more everything what we have. Okay? Linis na. More linis na talaga. Asan na yung ano? Bye.